I am sharing again the African Goddess Rising, and today we're doing Urzuli Dawn Tour. And let's see, etheric chords. If it isn't wholehearted love, release it. Remember your worth. If it isn't really wholehearted love, release it and remember your worth. Love yourself the most, okay? The energy cord binding you and someone you no longer wish to be attached to are strong. You must be willing to let go. And I'm just going to stop it right there. I'm not even going to read the rest, because one of the things that I know is that, and I'm talking to the ladies right now, but it could be ladies or gentlemen, okay? When you are in a relationship and it is way past over, you just need to really let that go and let it be over, and then heal. Heal. That is what people don't do after they get out of a relationship. Heal. Even if it is a friendship with same whatever. Even if it's not like a relationship like a mate, it's just a friendship. Heal after a relationship closes, after a relationship ends. Release the cords, release the ties that are binding you all. Because what people don't realize is that there are energetic attachments between you and the people that you are in relationships with. There are energetic attachments. You have to release those and heal where they once were. And you transfer energy back and forth with these energetic attachments. So you will be feeling this person, they will be feeling you, and you don't even know if your feelings are yours or they theirs. You know what I'm saying? So you have to heal after relationships and cleanse for real, because there are so many things people don't know. Like, there are sexually transmitted demons. There's so much out there that people don't know about. Once you get out of a relationship, you need to cleanse. You might need to do a healing bath. You need to release everything that was left with you and release that stuff and get it out of you. Clean your house. And I don't mean just clean your house. You need to spiritually clean your house. Wipe that person's energy out of your house. Because if you keep bringing new energy to your house, then at some point, you might not be able to attract any new energy into your house because it's so full of everybody else's energy in your house. And this is your house as well. So if this house is full of Tom, Dick, Harry, Larry, Joe, Marshall, Peter, whoever, if this is full of all of this energy from all of these people, then the next dude, the real dude that's supposed to be your dude, he's going to be repelled. Because when he comes to you, he's going to be feeling everybody else's energy all around you. He can be like, why? Why is it I'm not feeling her? I like her, but it's something up. I don't know what that is. That's all the junk that you're carrying around from everybody else. So, after you finish with your relationships, heal, okay? Heal yourself. Clear those spiritual cords and connections from those people. I know that was long, but ashe. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.